Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today is our baby shower. I'm so excited to take you along on this vlog. It's something that I've been working on for the last few weeks, and I've been collaborating with Rodney's mom to put this together. Last time you saw me on video, I was vlogging our baby moon. I will post a link up in the iCard. I'm so excited to be able to share these fun milestones with you related to my pregnancy. Pregnancy vlogs are something that I've been wanting to do. I kind of put it off till a lot later, but I'm so happy to be sharing this with you today. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. I'll be making more vlogs like this in the future, and I would love to have you as a returning viewer. So hit that red subscribe button right now. I paused to give you time to do that. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning. I really appreciate you guys being here. And without further ado, I'm going to finish getting ready for the baby shower.
It's Rain's idea.
Oh, wow. Hey, everyone. We just arrived at the baby shower site. I want to show you the mess right now. We're just getting things set up. And I'm going to show you what it's going to be transformed to. I have bags and bags of stuff. And we just kind of are throwing things everywhere. But Nancy put together these cute little decorations. This is a floral arrangement from a friend that are flowers from her garden, so that's beautiful. And yeah, everything's kind of a mess right now. We have a beautiful pool area. It is a bright, over 70-degree day, and we are going to transform the place for a baby shower. Hi everyone. Okay, so we've been setting up for the last 2.5 hours. I want to quickly show you a video of everything I set up before people start eating and drinking, even though they already have. So let me give you a tour of the shower that we set up. When you walk in, I did a little diaper raffle thing here. So you can write your name on a ticket and then stick it in one of the prizes you want to win. I have bags for each of the prizes, and I think we're gonna get some diapers coming up. And then this is the gift table. We're very grateful it's getting filled up. Oh, I made these little party favors at the end. When people leave, they can take a little. I have my puns, of course. You guys know that I love puns. Orange, you glad you came. And these oranges are from a friend's tree, so they can take a pack of oranges. There are some wine bottles for prizes, and people can write me and Rodney some advice for parents-to-be. Here is a little kids table. I brought some toys for kids to play with. We have a few kids here at the shower, and one of the kids lost his shoes already, it seems. Oh, this thing took a while to set up. It is for photos for later. It's just a little purple curtain, and these paper flowers are, gosh, they were giving me such a hard time. They're already coming off. And then we have these little signs down there. We got desserts, a popcorn bar, because I'm about to pop. And then we have snacks that people are already digging into, so that's good.
You're not supposed to?
Well, I'm just doing a video. You guys are fine.
Oh, no!
So that's why I wanted to do the video fast, because I knew people would start eating.
We're gonna eat it.
And then we have a little make your own mimosa bar. Yes, the puns are in. And they can put different fruits. Because this is a co-ed shower, Nancy got these fancy cigars for the men, but they're just chocolate. We're not gonna smoke in front of the baby, that's not healthy. And look at her little badge, it's super cute. She has a badge that says she's the grandma.
I am.
I think my mom has one too.
Is it recording?
All right, you guys.
Oh.
I think it's recording, yeah.
Yeah.
So this thing took us like over an hour to set up. It was the longest thing at the party. So we're gonna do a little video of it before. It's beautiful. Okay, so I love the taking a video right now. Thank you. Pardon me? This is a video, so say hi. And then she's taking photos.
Hi, everyone. You missed the part where I talked about bringing strange men home, so. Oh,
yeah,
no, I guess you didn't.
Okay, you guys recognize Jessica from my National Bachelorette party. And probably some other videos of mine.
What's that bag? You got 2 bags in
Yes,
one
she won one of the diaper raffles, so she's a lucky girl.
Picture, and then we'll take our
party?
back.
We're gonna take a picture. You wanna hold
You want to get? Let's do the kids picture. The kids need to take a picture. You want to be in a picture?
Let's see, huh?
How old are you? Everett, how old are you?
How old are you,
baby? Show Auntie Melanie 2.
2? 2?
Do the two mommy fingers, baby.
All right, everyone. So the vlog has just been me so far. I want to have some of my friends be in the vlog. And my friend Kathy here is an expert mom. She has 2 teenage kids. She has some really great advice. She actually started giving it and then the battery kind of died. But I'm going to give it back to her again and she's going to share her tips. And I think it relates to traveling, which Rodney and I love to do. So we're going to really want to listen to her travel advice.
So travel advice, once you have a toddler, give them a little backpack on wheels. You don't want them to take everything. So you just let them know, say, hey, as long as you can carry your own bag and it fits in the bag, you can bring it.
You kind of give them free reign as long as it fits in the bag. So you don't have to take everything.
Exactly. And then also I believe in carrying in your pocket balloons that you can blow up.
Balloons.
And then when you're at, say you have, you fly to one airport and you got to wait for the next one, then you can play like a little bit of volleyball with the balloon with the baby, and it's super easy. And then also stickers. So just a million bags of stickers and paper and let them, work on their dexterity to peel off little pieces of
I love that. I collected stickers as a kid. I still have my stickers.
Those are some of my traveling tips.
Stickers, their own travel suitcase, and balloons.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Kathy. We are just doing a raffle of people that left us parenting advice, and Rodney's dad won. What is the advice that he gave us?
The secret to happiness is learning to say, yes, dear.
Oh, I do like that advice. So that's Rodney's dad, and I think that's appropriate that he won the game.
All right, so where's this bottle of wine?
Yeah, there's a bottle of wine over there I can choose from. Okay, guys, we just played the game where you guess my belly size. People cut a string, and Adrienne, the new mama, she just had a baby 7 weeks ago. She looks amazing. I'm showing her off. Won the bottle of wine because she literally guessed my exact belly size. But do you guys think that's cheating because she just had a baby? So maybe she has like intuition of how big your belly is supposed to be. I know. So if the good thing that came out of her having a baby, other than her baby, is that she wins the wine at the baby shower.
Other than the baby, yes.
Oh, that's so cute. So we got a little cake from Costco with purple and pink baby rattles, our exact colors. It's really cute. Can't wait to dig in. I know Rodney will enjoy it. Costco cake is his favorite. Oh, look at this. This is the knife from, was it from the wedding?
My wedding.
Your wedding, and we used it at our wedding.
Yes.
Right, that's so special. All right, probably.
You look like you're really enjoying
I said you could have the corner piece, Rodney. You can have the corner piece.
Oh, you got to be on the lines though.
Oh.
My OCD
I'm off
is
the
kicking in a
lines.
little bit right now.
Okay. That's good.
Okay, say
All right,
bye.
cake is cut. We're going to guess how many kisses are in this bottle. Pink kisses for the next prize.
Wait, how does it work? Is it the closest without going over?
Just the closest, right?
Closest without going over, like Price is Right style?
We'll see. All right, everyone has their number. Rodney's doing the big reveal.
Here we go. I'm going to say, can I guess?
Yeah, guess. Today.
I don't know, no, I'm not going to guess.
Just throw out a number.
Be a risk taker.
All right, the answer is 195.
195.
Who's close?
Who got 194?
I got 124.
He got 194. 194.
He has 194.
That's the
Woo!
win.
Oh, you actually got the exact number?
One off.
Wow, but under.
194? Yeah. That's amazing.
Wow. That's awesome. You can share with Ilva.
Was this a whole thing of Hershey Kisses?
I get it, Rodney. Ask me.
Rodney wants the extras. That's why he was asking about that. Congratulations. That's a good guess.
Take a bottle of wine.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, so you guys get some
A
wine.
bottle of wine?
Yeah.
Like white or red?
I like red.
Red. Pinot.
Wonderful.
Yay, congratulations.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you
There you
so much.
go.
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. College.
Read lots of books whenever possible. Enjoy every minute.
A lot of things about sleep.
Try not to leave the baby on her own for more than a few hours. Make sure she pays her fair share of the mortgage.
Oh, boy.
Don't let her date until she's 2. That's from Jessica. Jessica's a little jokester. So.
Lots about sleep.
Read it.
I like this one. Kids are more durable than you think.
Who wrote that one?
Just keep the sharp things put away.
Who's that from? Sleep as much as you can. The sleepless nights will pass, says Adrian. How do you know?
I don't know yet. I've heard.
But you're hoping, right?
Sleep's highly overrated.
So we are cleaning up from the shower. As you can see, I am wearing my wedding shoes. These shoes are so special. Rodney got them for me. You probably saw them in another video when I revealed them. I'm trying to get as much wear out of these as possible, so I've been wearing them for the baby shower. They are so comfortable, honestly, even when I am pregnant and my feet are getting bigger. Very comfortable. All right, we are taking down all the decorations, but I wanted to show you these little florals that we had. I picked these flowers from a friend's neighbor's garden. We discovered that he had a lot of roses when she was doing her baby shower, and he said I was welcome to come back for mine, and we did, and we picked all these different roses and we put them in these little tiny milk bottles that Nancy got. Perfect for the shower. I think we did a good job. Everyone have fun? Almost all the food's gone. So this is the aftermath. As you can see, the mimosas bar has kind of gotten disheveled, but that is to be expected. Hi everyone, it's Melody. I thought I would end the video properly. So got back from the shower, we unloaded the car, we've been cleaning everything up for the last couple hours and almost everything is done. Very grateful for everyone who came out to celebrate with us today. It was such a fun afternoon. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for coming along on the baby shower. I know it was a little bit scattered. It was hard for me to take video because I was kind of running around everywhere, but I got a few clips in, and I will see you all in the next video. I'm trying to think of what to do, but I have some ideas, so it'll probably be another pregnancy type vlog, so can't wait to do that as well. Thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you next time. All right, bye-bye.
See you next time.
All right, and that's Rodney in the background, the dad-to-be, who always likes to make fun of the videos, even though he likes to watch them because he appreciates that I do them. He makes fun of them when I'm actually doing the videos.
See you next time.
All right, guys,
Bye-bye.
I gotta go. Bye.